Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw issues from Linear projects with proper labels, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start withdrawing issues from Linear projects, first, log into your Linear account. Navigate to the project where the issues are located. Locate the specific issue you wish to withdraw. Click on the issue to open its detail view. In the detail view, look for the status drop-down menu. Select the withdrawn status from the options available. Next, apply the appropriate labels to the issue. To add labels, find the Labels section within the issue detail. Click on the Add Label button or the label icon. Choose the relevant labels that categorize the issue effectively. Confirm the changes to ensure the labels are applied. Once labeled, review the issue to check for accuracy. If everything looks correct, close the issue detail view. Your issue is now successfully withdrawn and labeled. You can return to the project overview to see the updated status of issues. This process helps maintain organization and clarity within your Linear project. Always ensure that you communicate changes with your team if necessary. By following these steps, you can effectively manage issues in your Linear projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.